afternoon. If you've had enough of the big freeze, the good news is the thaw is underway and it looks as though it's going to last all week. Now here were last night's minima, and as you can see there, it was very difficult to find temperatures below zero anywhere across the United Kingdom. The milder air has come in behind this weather front here, but this tail is bringing some heavy rain to Scotland. More of that in a moment. Let's see how the week pans out, because I think you'll be able to see that we'll continue to draw this mild, moist air in from the southwest approaches. Weather fronts are going to cross northern Britain from time to time, so not only windy but some wet weather there. And with the high pressure close by, just across the Strait of Dover, I think there's always a chance of some of that colder air returning to southeast England, or at least it'll be the southeast that takes the longest to warm up. Now the winds are going to be fairly strong, strengthening up to gale force at times across northwestern areas, usually as the wet weather moves in. And you can see a chance of that colder air being drawn across the channel into the southeast. I mentioned some wet weather earlier on in Scotland. Well, as you can see on the weather radar, there's still some wet weather there, some heavy bursts of rain indicated by those bright colours, and I think that'll continue through the rest of this afternoon. Some drier weather coming into the Northern Isles and the northern mainland, and some drier, brighter weather for some central and eastern parts of England, but the southern and western coast will continue to be plagued by mist and drizzle, and that fog in the southeast is going to take some time to improve visibilities there. It'll take a wee while to thin, I think. So temperatures in Scotland today getting up into double figures in some places, about 20 degrees Celsius higher than they were last week. Overnight tonight, more rain moving into Northern Ireland, northern and western parts of Scotland, and as the wind increases, I think we'll find visibilities improving in that southeastern corner. Mind you, there'll probably still be some fog around tomorrow morning, and that's the place that's going to hang on to that cold air the longest. Monday morning then, we'll find that rain up in the far northwest. Brighter showery weather coming in later on in the day as the weather feature weakens as it moves into Northern Ireland and northern England. Elsewhere, still a lot of mist around those coasts. On Tuesday, another weather system moves in from the northwest, but it'll weaken all the while. Wednesday, much more in the way of rain moving into northwestern areas. The chance of some much brighter weather in the southeast. And by the end of the week, another weather system moving south, introducing blustery showers into northwestern areas and replacing the brighter weather